Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel todilancloud.com. Today I want to share with you a new topic about VPN. That's the VPN side to side. In this lab, I am using Microsoft Windows Server run with remote access service direct to the cloud. The first step, we also create the resource group. The second step, we create the VNet. And the third, we create a subnet or a subnet gateway. And finally, we create the virtual default gateway, virtual network gateway. But to save time, I will skip this step. You can refer back to my video. And about the VM, the virtual machine, create the VM before. So with this VM, we can test the connectivity between the cloud and on-premise system. Okay, that's okay. Now we go directly to create the connection between cloud and local machine. Okay, I have a Windows server locally. So in this Windows server, I'm going to set up the service routing and remote access to act as a gateway. Okay. Okay. Now we add role and features. Okay. Next. Okay. We select the remote access service. Remote access roles. Okay, next. Okay, we select the first one, this feature, and the second one. Okay, next. Okay, we install it and wait for finishing. And now the service was done. So we start the configuration. Okay, open administrative tool and open routing and remote access. Okay, after the routing and remote access service is done, I'm going back to Microsoft Azure. I'm going to the virtual network gateway and create the connection to the local Active Directory server. Okay, go here, connection. Okay, we add the connection. So here I select side to side VPN. Okay, here I will name it side 1. Okay, side 1 is Azure gateway, for example, like this, Azure gateway. And I select another side. Another side is side, I will name it side 2. Okay, I will create a side 2. Side 2 is local 80. Yes. Okay, and the IP address, I will copy this IP address. This IP address is a public IP address on our local network. I will show you. This is okay. This is our local network. We have a private IP address rank, and this is the public IP address of our modem or our firewall. Okay, and this is the private IP address rank. 24. Okay, if you want, you can add another subnet of your private network. Like this. Okay, So now we to create the connection. Okay, we check it. Okay, side 1 connection type side to side virtual network gateway is default select, and the side 2 is local AD. Okay, share key I will give the share key 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is okay. I leave default. Okay. Okay, now we wait for finishing this one, and we come back to local AD to set up the connectivity. Okay, please remember that you should open and forward the ports. We have 2 ports to run the VPN side to side on your modem or your firewall. You have to open this and forward to your local server. Okay. Okay, I have to open this one. I have to go port forwarding and forward 2 ports to our local Active Directory server running with routing and remote access. So please remember this. Okay, we go back. It's still not finished. It finished, but still not associate. Okay, refresh and see. Sometimes it will take for a while. Okay, be patient and wait for a while. Okay, it's still not associate. Okay, we can take a break, a coffee. We can take a coffee and wait for a while. Okay, to save time, I'm going back to our local server and configure routing and remote access service. Okay, I'm going to open routing and remote access, configure. Okay, next. Okay, this one you select secure connection between 2 private network. Okay, yes, default, finish. The service is starting. Okay, next. Interface names. Okay, we put this interface. Now we have only one interface network, so okay, I leave it default. Azure. Okay, for example, side 1 Azure gateway. Okay, VPN. Okay, here we select IKEV2. Okay, this is the public IP address on Azure. Okay, we go back and check the public IP address. Okay, we go here, we can see. Okay, here we can get the public IP address. Okay, here we can copy it. Okay, here we pass. Okay, next. This is the IP address ran on Azure local IP address. Okay, this is the workspace. Okay, this is the network space on the VNet. Okay, we can go and see virtual network. Okay, here I'm using this VNet. Okay, this one. This VNet, we have the /16, right? Okay. Okay, metric, I put metric 10. Okay, next. Username, domain. Okay, we can skip this one.
Okay, interface. Okay, we have the interface, but the status is enable, but connection disconnect, still not connect. Okay, we get uh, okay, we have to input the security pass key, share key. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, the same with we, we input on Azure. Okay, it's done. It's done now. We go back and see the status. It take a long time to finish this one. Still not finished. Wait for a while. And after that, after finishing, we can check again the connection on virtual network gateway. Okay, now we all can see that the connection were created and status is not connected. So we try to connect it to our local server and see. Okay, I go back to the local server. Okay, we routing and then remote access service. We can see the interface. Okay, we try to try to connect it. Okay, we can see that the status, the connection state is connected. Okay, we go back Azure. We see the connection refreshes. We had to wait for a while and see it's not connect immediately, but it takes some time. Wait for a while, and now we can see the status. The status is connected. This is on Microsoft Azure, so both sides are connected together. So now after waiting for a while, I connected a VM on the cloud with the public IP address, and I log on and I ping back to my local server 192.168.1.226 is our local server here. This is my local Active Directory server here, and from the local server I ping back to the cloud VM, and both are connected now. So this is the result. We set up the VPN side-to-side connectivity between on-prem system to the Microsoft Azure cloud.
So this is the result how to connect between local network to Microsoft Cloud. So I hope that this video is very useful for people who want to have the solution secure connection to the cloud. Uh, if you like my video, please give me a like, press subscribe or share my video so more people will know to my channel, and I will have more useful video to support the community, the IT community. So thank you for watching. See you next time.